G'day chaps, this is a question from a Barker past paper, the 2012 Semester 1 Extension 1 exam. And it's a question to do with a bit of Sokotoa, so a bit of right angle trig, which isn't too bad, and just a bit of Pythagoras' theorem, so it's pretty old school stuff. But I remember when I was in year 11, I got a question like this and it just threw me. So, yeah, anyway, so it's not too difficult, but I'll just talk you through the process and, alright, we'll get cracking, shall we? So, the question is, inverse tan of 3/5 is equal to, and it gives you all these other expressions which it could be equal to. Now, you could use a calculator to work it out, hit inverse tan of 3/5, and it'll give you some decimal, and then you can work out, and then hit all these, and which decimal's the same. But I want to talk you through a more mathematically rigorous way of thinking about things that I think is more helpful for your understanding. So, what I've done here, if we've got tan of theta equals 3/5, then that of course is how you're going to get theta equals the inverse tan of 3/5. So let's draw up a right angle triangle. So we've got this theta, and tan, you can see from Sokotoa, is opposite over adjacent. So opposite, this is going to be 3, adjacent is going to be 5 over here in the adjacent one. And we know from Pythagoras' theorem that, say this hypotenuse is h squared equals 3 squared plus 5 squared. So that's just your classic old Pythag from year 9. So we're just going to, so 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25, h squared is 34, so 9 plus 25 is 34, and then we're just going to take the square root of both sides. H equals the square root of 34. So I'll just pop this in the diagram. And that's awesome because we've got a few root 34s over here and here, so we know we're probably on the right track. And so let's work out, now we know every side in this triangle. So say we go, what is sine of theta from here? So sine of theta will be opposite. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's 3 over root 34. So theta will be inverse sine of 3 over root 34. Beautiful. So we know, oh, there we go, there. It is C. Awesome. So that's all you need to know. So I'll briefly summarize that again. What we've done is we've just drawn up a triangle. So we're solving this question like pictorially. We've worked out that this side here and this side here are described, the opposite and adjacent sides are described by this ratio, the inverse tan of 3/5. Then we've used Pythagoras' theorem to work out the hypotenuse, and then from that we can work out what sine and cos of theta is. Okay, well that's all we're going to do this question. See you in the next one.